It is found in moist. The bare-throated bellbird, Procnias nudicollis, is a species of bird in the family Cotingidae. It is found in moist subtropical and tropical forests in Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay. The male has white plumage and bristly bluish-black bare skin around its eye, beak, and throat. The female is more drab, being olive-brown above with streaked yellow underparts. The male has one of the loudest known bird calls, producing a metallic sound similar to a hammer striking an anvil. This bird feeds on fruit and plays a part in dispersing the seeds of forest trees. It is considered near threatened because of loss of its forest habitat and collection for the pet bird trade. The male bird has striking white plumage and a bare bluish-black patch of skin around its eyes and beak and on its throat. The female is duller in color with a black crown, olive-brown upper parts and yellowish underparts streaked with olive green. This bird is about 27 centimeters, 11 in, long. Like other bellbirds, Procnias, the bill of P. nudicollis has a short bill with a very wide gape. The male has one of the loudest calls of any bird, a sharp sound like that of a hammer striking an anvil or a bell. Before making such a call, an individual must take a sharp inhale to increase air pressure in the interclavicular air sacs surrounding its syrinx. It takes a long time for young males to learn the call, as one such male living in captivity next to an adult P. nudicollis that frequently called could not perfect it within 10 months of practice. The bare-throated bellbird is native to Brazil, Paraguay and Argentina. Whereas it is common in the former two countries, it is rare in Argentina. In 2017, less than 250 mature individuals were estimated to exist in Argentina. Unlike many other Cotingidae, they migrate seasonally to different altitudes in Paraguay and East Brazil based on fruit production and the age class of the migrating individuals. Some evidence suggests they are also migratory in southeast Brazil and nearby parts of Paraguay, and that they only visit Argentina. Their natural habitats are subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest and subtropical or tropical moist montane forest. The bare-throated bellbird prefers primary forests, but may also be present in secondary forests with fruit trees, as well as abandoned rubber groves. Despite its vulnerable status, a juvenile male has been photographed in 2007 foraging in one of the campuses of the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, an unusual urban setting located on an artificial island in the vicinity of the heavily polluted Guanabara Bay. 5. Another specimen was previously spotted in 2005 at the Ibirapuera Park in Sao Paulo. Cotingidae like P. nudicollis spend a relatively short time foraging due to their frugivory, or fruit-based, diet since fruits do not move as insects do, and so spend plenty of their time preening and idling, as well as singing during their reproductive period. As a frugivory species, P. nudicollis disperses seeds for the plants it consumes in the Atlantic rainforest ecosystem, such as the Euterpe edulis. It consumes fruits from plants of the Ericaceae, Myrtaceae, Myrcinaceae, Moraceae, Myristicaceae, Apocynaceae, Sapindaceae, Lauraceae, Leguminosae, Bursraceae, Malpighiaceae, Celastraceae, Elaeocarpaceae, Araliaceae and Liliaceae families. The width of their gape enables them to swallow fruits whole, then regurgitate large seeds. Although adult members of the bellbird species have only been observed eating fruit, snails have also been recorded in the stomach of a P. nudicollis specimen of unknown sex. These are theorized to have been consumed as source of calcium for egg-laying females, as snails are consumed for this reason by the scaled fruit-eater, also of the Cotingidae family. Although P. nudicollis's mating practices haven't been observed as closely as its relative, the bearded bellbird, they are likely similar. The male P. nudicollis produces its loud call while it perches on a high branch in order to attract a mate. Their breeding season lasts from September to February.
El campanero de garganta desnuda, Procnias nudicollis, es una especie de ave de la familia Cotingidae. Se encuentra en los bosques tropicales y subtropicales húmedos de Argentina, Brasil y Paraguay. El macho tiene plumaje blanco y piel desnuda de color negro azulado erizado alrededor del ojo, el pico y la garganta. La hembra es más monótona, siendo de color marrón oliva arriba con partes inferiores amarillas rayadas. El macho tiene uno de los cantos de pájaro más fuertes que se conocen, produciendo un sonido metálico similar a un martillo golpeando un yunque. Esta ave se alimenta de frutas y participa en la dispersión de las semillas de los árboles del bosque. Se considera casi amenazado debido a la pérdida de su hábitat forestal y la recolección para el comercio de aves de compañía. El ave macho tiene un llamativo plumaje blanco y una mancha de piel desnuda de color negro azulado alrededor de los ojos, el pico y la garganta. La hembra es de color más apagado con una corona negra. Partes superiores de color marrón oliva y partes inferiores amarillentas con rayas verde oliva. Esta ave mide unos 27 centímetros, 11 pulgadas, de largo. Al igual que otros pájaros campaneros, Procnias. El pico de P. nudicollis tiene un pico corto con una boca muy ancha. El macho tiene una de las llamadas más fuertes de todas las aves. Un sonido agudo como el de un martillo golpeando un yunque o una campana. Antes de hacer tal llamada, una persona debe inhalar profundamente para aumentar la presión de aire en los sacos de aire interclaviculares que rodean su siringe. A los machos jóvenes les lleva mucho tiempo aprender la llamada, ya que uno de esos machos que vive en cautiverio junto a un adulto P. nudicollis que llama con frecuencia no pudo perfeccionarlo dentro de los 10 meses de práctica. El pájaro campana de garganta desnuda es originario de Brasil, Paraguay y Argentina. Mientras que es común en los dos primeros países, es raro en Argentina. En 2017, se estimó que existían menos de 250 individuos maduros en Argentina. A diferencia de muchos